With breathtaking views of the sparkling ocean, Fusion Suites Dining is the perfect home base for those who want the best of everything and who doesn't, blending the comfort and convenience of an apartment with the amenity, service, and warm hospitality of a hotel. So follow us and let's check it out together.
All right, you guys, prepare to be blown away. A lot of you guys have been asking us about our apartment, the beach view, and all of the amazing things. There's a lot of places here in Da Nang that has the same exact features. As mentioned before, our apartment building only has 4, so we brought you to something else that is, to be quite honest with you, running head in head, with our apartment, but we're loyal to what we have, so we're not gonna toot them a little too much, but check this out. This apartment right here is in the hotel, so you do get the same thing as the hotel amenities, kind of like us, and we'll put more of the details in the description of this video. But if you have children, this is for you. If you're coming with friends or family and you are, you don't want to be alone the entire time, there's crazy amount of space. But that's not all. You have the dining room table, which we don't have in our apartment. So for those of you who are like, give me the name of the apartment, they're not paying us to do so yet. So here you guys are. We're giving you something that is a little bit better. They have all of the appliances that you can possibly need in an apartment. You got the microwave, Panasonic refrigerator, your stove top right here. They provide you 4 bottles of water daily, and your sink is right here to the right. But this is really different. Studio feel, but not giving studio vibes. The bed is just right here in the center. At any given time, you can just lay down, enjoy yourself, enjoy the ocean view. Can you guys check out this window? Golly, it's giving us a run for our money. We love it. You open up the window. There's no balcony, but honestly, we have the same feature in our apartment where you just open up the window, and at night, you don't need Alexa, you don't need the television on rain sounds. Just go to sleep with the ocean sounds naturally. No AI. Mind blowing. But that's not all. Want to get a little fancy? How chic! You don't even have to get out of your bed or get off the chair. Just keep the remote close by whenever you're over the entire experience. Put it down naturally. Isn't that cute? I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it all. So, enjoy. I'm gonna let you guys take a look around, enjoy yourselves, but I kid you not, the main thing about this hotel is that they have most of the pastel colors, which we love because it makes you feel very at ease, very calm, very, I kind of just I'm on a vacation. You have the sheer curtains, you have the pastel colors, even on the floor. Then they have the bamboo furniture. It's just perfect. And the fact that you can lounge anywhere, read a book right here. This is the perfect reading nook. I love reading nooks, and this is one of them. Even with the bed with the little featured lights over here, that's interesting because you don't have to keep anyone up that's sleeping. You can just turn your light on, read your book, and go about your business. They have the robes, which I love the fact that every hotel provides you with that. Even if they're not a 5-star hotel, because typically in the US, you only get the hotels with the 5-star hotels that provide you with the robe and bottles of water and all of the fun stuff, your tea, your cafe. But these hotels want to make sure that you feel right at home when you come to them. Now let's take a walk to the restroom. Again, the details. I love details. And as you can see, every single hotel that we have shown so far has been very, very detail oriented, and I love that. From the vanity mirror, just for the ladies, or the guys, because you want to get a close shave. You guys, you guys are about that life, we get it. You have everything that you can possibly need. If you forget Q-tips, you forget a comb, you forget toothbrush with toothpaste, they'll give you everything, and every single hotel has that. So again, you guys, the bidets here are very familiar. Like, Vietnam restrooms, every single one, whether or not you're at a 5-star or a 2-star or even a 1-star, they will provide you with a bidet because they understand that half of the time the paper towels are not very safe to use with all the chemicals. So just wash it all away.
What's up, fam? It's Jay. I know y'all haven't seen me in the video. Sarah had me on editing duty. Nah, but I've been behind the cameras making sure that she get everything, but she been enjoying herself because she really enjoyed this spot, right? So this is the Ocean Suite, which is 61 square meters, which includes a bedroom, bunk bed, an ocean view, standing showers, bathtub, kitchenette, and a living room space for the price of 30 million VND, which is 1,181 USD.
Okay, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. We started to have just an incy-bincy amount of regret, just a little bit, only because this place is extremely spacious, but then we realized we love what we have, yada, yada, yada. So let's take you guys around because this place is very spacious and we love all of the natural lighting that are coming in. Look how big the windows are. I think that's really what it is. We love big windows that has nothing obscuring the view, and the fact that you get to see the view the way that you're able to see it, it's just a little bit more welcoming. And so I will start you guys off again with the kiddie room. So now, same thing as the other one. We mentioned the sliding doors in the previous room. I love that. It's very quiet. It looks as if like once you're in here, you're kind of in here. And kids will have so much fun with the bunk beds. I remember being younger, having a bunk bed and just wanting to have the top bunk because you feel a little bit isolated. But for the bottom bunk lovers, it's pretty cool down there too. You have like a little bit more privacy. So this is really exciting. So we enjoy that. They have their desk that they can work with. We're now into the kitchen / dining room / bedroom / lounge. And you have your dining room table. They do have room service, scan if you are hungry. And again, back with the appliances, same thing throughout the whole entire rooms. The only difference is you have a corner view of everything. And the bed is on this side. And look, you guys, how demure. Very demure, very feminine. And this is such a very, very cute feature. I like it only because it makes the place just look a little bit more grandiose. You still have the ocean view, but you have a little bit of the Vietnamese style. You're in a beachfront hotel apartment feel. That's what it's giving. And then we're back with the smart TVs. This is extremely important. If you've never ever traveled to Vietnam before, having a smart TV in your hotel is a must. And it's extremely important because majority of the hotels only have local TV with the Vietnamese channels. And unless you are learning or attempting to be fluent in Vietnamamese, and there's only 2 channels that you can watch a movie. It's a little frustrating. So to be able to sign into your Prime, Amazon Prime, Netflix, YouTube, so forth while you're staying here, it just makes it a little bit more comfortable for you. But again, back to the beach view. You guys are experiencing the rainy day, which is exciting because Jay and I had to wait about like 2 weeks just to get rain in our apartment. Well, actually a week, but just to get rain in our apartment and to experience that for the first time. And we had the opportunity to experience it last night, but it was late night, so it wasn't as like fun as this. So check out the view while it rains, straight to the beach. Again, as mentioned, this is a corner view, so I love the natural lighting. Check it out, you guys. You get to see someone parasailing in the rain. How dangerous. Vietnam is the perfect place for you to live life on the edge. May get electrocuted, may not. What is it? Lightning bolts. It's so fun. Oh, we don't wish that on them. We're just saying that like, it doesn't seem like something you should do in the rain. I don't know. Let us know in the comments.
Just a little rain never hurt.
Just a little rain, a little lightning, a little thunder. Nothing crazy.
It ain't lightning and thunder, so they good.
Okay. It seems dangerous. Like flying a kite while it rains.
That's old wives' tale. It's all right.
Okay. Thank you, Snapple Cap. But yes, gorgeous day. Nothing stops anyone here from having a good time. It could be pouring rain. As you can see, they are living life. They're still on the beach. They're still enjoying themselves. And you get front row seat. Now, and I really mean, when I say front row seat, I genuinely mean front row seat. If you are a guest or a resident at this hotel, all you have to do is look below, cross the street, and this whole entire area right in front of you belongs to the hotel. So you get to lounge, sit, enjoy yourself. Just because you're a guest, this whole area is reserved for you versus everybody else who has nothing. So those are the things that we kind of wish we knew, but it's okay. We love our place, but this is what we're here for, right? Each one teach one. We didn't get all of the amazing amenities, but you guys can. So yeah, check it out.
All right, y'all, this one is pretty dope. This is called the Fusion Suite, which is 67 square meters, including 1 bedroom, bunk beds, an ocean and city view, standing showers and bathtub, kitchenette, and the living room space. And the price for this is 35 million VND, which is 1,376 US dollars. Not bad if you want to ball out a little bit.
So as you guys can see, I'm standing in my sad girl face because you guys, seriously, let me just start off by saying, hurry up and buy, okay? Hurry up, get your things together. And if you're interested in coming to Vietnam and you're interested in looking for a place to stay, this hotel is where you need to come. We've shown you a few of the other rooms, and I wish I can say that we're saving the best for last, but this isn't even the last place, and it's not even the biggest one that they have. This is mind-blowing. Let's check out the front. Again, if I didn't mention that I'm already over it, I'm only just doing this because it's my job, but come along. Again, if you have children, this is the place that you would like to be because here is their rooms. Oh my goodness. And now we are in the kitchen, dining room area, same amenities as the rooms before. Now, I know you guys are saying, okay, we've seen this already, same aesthetic, same vibe, yada, yada, yada. As you can see, there's no bed in the center. So if you guys are not into that feel, having the studio vibe, you don't have to. Wait till I show you why. At this moment, same thing, ocean view straight ahead. Everything is super gorgeous per usual. Big windows, blah, blah, blah. Smart TV, refrigerator, microwave. Now, let me take you to the most exciting thing about this hotel. Duplex. Follow me. Yeah, I know, we keep going. Could you believe it? They had the audacity to add more stairs. The word of the day, you guys, is audacity.
I'll put that at the bottom.
This is the master bedroom in the hotel Duplex. Yes, I know, we're upset too. We should have waited because we didn't even know this exists before you guys are like, oh my gosh, you guys, we thought the one you showed us was the best one, but it wasn't. Yeah, we feel stupid too. Anyways, it's cute or whatever. Got your window, your bed over here. You can do a roundabout. Everything is automated, by the way. The windows, the blinds, blah, blah, blah. Can I keep her?
No. It is so dumb.
The tub. You guys, why didn't anyone tell me about this? Puppy. The standalone tub. Anyways, I digress. We have the shower over here. So you have the tub, you have the shower, you have the Jack and Jill, his and her sink. Now I will say this is the first time I'm seeing this in Vietnam, period. With all the many places that we've toured so far, I've yet to see the Jack and Jill sinks available in any of the restroom. And then of course the details that are a part of the sink. You have your towel hangers. You can actually they have a scale on the bottom. They have drawers on the bottom of this as well, just in case you're looking to hide a few things away. You can do that. And then you have your little mudroom with your hotel robe. Yeah, it's cute or whatever. We've been kicked out of better places. So now we go back downstairs.
All right, I'm not gonna hold y'all. This one is amazing. This is the penthouse suite, which is 90 to 110 square meters, including 2 bedrooms, ocean and city view, standing showers and bathtub, a separate kitchenette and living room, for 60 million VND, which is 2,359 USD. For Vietnam, it's a tad expensive, but if you balling on a budget, I say go for it. This is the spot you want to ball out on. Definitely.
From every like and every view, we couldn't do this without you. Every comment, every share, it's your love that takes us there. Thank you for the ride. You're the reason we're worldwide. Join the trip, yeah, come see more. Follow us as we explore. Trip and program, don't forget. Together we ain't done yet. Buy us a coffee, join the fun. Subscribe a family, next stop the sun. Thank you for the ride. You're the reason we're worldwide. Join the trip, yeah, come see more. Follow us as we explore.